We'll guide you through how to edit with DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once it's up and running, you'll be greeted by the Project Manager screen. Click on New Project at the bottom, name your project, and hit Create. This will take you to the main editing interface. You'll want to import your media files first. Go to the Media tab at the bottom of the screen. You can either drag and drop files from your File Explorer directly into the media pool, or click on File in the top menu, choose Import, and then Media. Once your files are imported, switch over to the Edit tab. This is where all the magic happens. Drag your media from the media pool down to the timeline to start editing. You can adjust the clips by clicking and dragging them, cutting them by pressing Ctrl+B at the playhead position, and trimming them by dragging the edges of the clips. To add transitions, go to the Effects library on the left, then Video Transitions. Simply drag your desired transition onto the cut between two clips. If you need to add text, click on Titles in the Effects library, drag a text option to your timeline, and customize it in the inspector on the right. Color grading is done in the Color tab. Use the color wheels to adjust the look of your video. Once you're happy with your edit, go to the Deliver tab to export. Choose your file format, destination, and quality settings. Then click Add to Render Queue. Finally, click Start Render to export your video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.